Hello everyone, it was a very volatile market today. Market went up, then came down, took a support around 82 300, and then there was a continuous rally until 82 750. But post that, like last two working days, market consolidated after 11:30, and throughout the day it was giving spikes here and there, and then able to close at the similar level. So the whole point of today's trading was to stay in profit, because the premiums were very low and not aligned with the kind of volatility we have today. One of my premiums shot up really bad. It was 83 200. I sold at 7 and able to scare it off around 23 rupees, which is quite high, but I was able to make a profit out of other positions. Also, I have carry forwarded 82 500 from 15th expiry to 22nd expiry. So these two positions I will be carry forwarding going forward. Market has rebounded from 82 300 levels. I don't expect market to touch 82 300 for the remaining of the day. Kept the positions a bit safe. I took position 82 100 and hedge at 82 400. Being done, तो मार्केट जब हमने पोजीशन ली थी तब मार्केट अराउंड यहाँ पे थी, अराउंड 300 350, और वहाँ से मार्केट ऑलमोस्ट 100 सवा 100 पॉइंट ऊपर आ चुकी है. सो एंड द ट्रेंड इज़ ऑल्सो टर्निंग बुलिश, तो इसलिए वी हैव रोल्ड अप आवर पुट्स. इनसाइड हैच का वैल्यू ज़्यादा नहीं है. मे बी व्हाट आई कैन डू इज रोल इट अप. Okay, this is fine. So after the recent move, it was a pretty big one and took me a little off guard. So what we did is we booked a loss at 83 200, moved the position back to 83 500, and on put side right now we are at 82,000, but it was not here. I first moved the put to 82 100, and post that I also moved the put to 82 300, and I was able to book a decent profit of 6,000, and again move back my put to 82,000 when our MTM came to positive. So the whole target of today's day is to keep our MTM in positive. And so the time is 1:30 now, and some time back when market was around 11:30, I decided not to fight the market today since the moves were violent. Like in the morning, market gave 300 points rally, and then it scared at the downside also. So I booked a little loss on the upside going on the 83 200, and when the market started uh, showing a downtrend, then I booked a little bit loss at 82,000 and moved the put to 81 300. Now since the market was going all over, so in such a days, from my past experience, what I have seen is I keep moving through positive and negative throughout the day, and it gives you anxiety. And also sometimes you end up in good losses. uh, that is also fine if the premiums are there, but today since the premiums are not there, if any of the premium spikes and doubles and you book the loss, there is no way for you to risk extra uh, to get that loss back. So if I lose on the put side, I have to risk extra on the call side to get the to offset the loss, and same goes on the other side also. So I just threw the towel, and I'll just try to make it a positive in the day, and I'm sticking to our earlier plan that I'll try to keep this MTM positive. So as per initial plan, we tried to keep our days MTM into positive. It went into negative. I was managed to pull it back to the positive, and I wish to keep it this way.